Switchgear should be decided according to cable or wire size. Also consider load current connected to switchgear.
Listen up. Switchgear must be chosen by cable size. It has to trip before the cable fails. If the wire burns, that's the wrong capacity. Always match them right.
Never bypass circuit breakers. Avoid oversized protection units. Rather, find the fault and rectify it. Use properly rated switchgear.
Never bypass circuit breakers. It is extremely dangerous. Rather find the fault and rectify it. Check the circuit thoroughly. Always use properly rated switchgears. Bypassing breakers is dangerous. Find the fault, rectify it, and use properly rated switchgear.
Hey everyone! Make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Click the link below to find our long videos.